Good morning to all dear students. Welcome back to the online platform of Brahmos Academy. This is Arbaz Ahmed. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. Chirag Chaudhary who has cleared Rashtriya Multi-School examinations. So, Chirag, how are you?
Sir, I am fine.
What are you feeling now?
Sir, I am feeling well now.
Okay. So, Chirag, shall we start today's session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, tell me something about yourself.
I would like to thanks for giving me this golden opportunity. My name is Chirag Chaudhary. Significance of my name is light or brilliance. Basically, I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and currently I am studying in 8th class from Brahmos Academy. I do have 6 members in my family: my mother, my father, my grandmother, my uncle, me, and my younger brother. My younger brother is studying in RMS Bangalore, and my father is a army person which currently posted at Kota. My mother is a housewife, and my short-term career goal is to be part of RMS, and my long-term career goal is to be respectful position in defense services. I would like to be part of RMS.
Okay. So, I just want to know about your strength and weakness.
I am passionate, hardworking, motivated, and dedicated guy towards my goal and my career. And my weakness are I'm a bit lazy, which I'm not interested.
Okay. So, Chirag, why do you want to join Rashtriya Military School?
So because I have a great wish to be part of Indian Defense Services, therefore I would like to get my education in defense atmosphere like military school. I love the life and living style of defense personnel because they are very active and sharp-minded.
Okay. So, you would like to be a career in defense service, okay? So, what do you know about Indian Army?
The Indian Army was established on 1 April 1895 and the father of Indian Army is Stringy Lawrence. First General of Indian Army is K.M. Cariappa and the current General of Indian Army is Upendra Trivedi. And there are 7 commands and 9 ranks in Indian Army.
Okay, do you know about the rank of Navy? Tell me.
Lieutenant, Lieutenant, Lieutenant Commander, Commander, Captain, Commodore, Rear Admiral, Vice Admiral and Admiral.
So congratulations, Chirag.
Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling now?
Sir, I am feeling well.
Okay. So first of all, tell me the name of two rabi crops.
The two Rabi crops are pea and wheat.
Okay. Now tell me who is the father of Indian Constitution and adopted.
So the father of Indian Constitution is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar and it is adopted on the 26th November 1949.
Okay, very good. So do you know which two articles cannot be suspended at the time of emergency?
Article 20 and 21.
Okay. Can you tell me what is Article 21?
So the 21 article is right to life.
Okay. So tell me what is an insulator and also give one example of it.
The insulator are which cannot transmit heat and light and the one example of insulator is wood.
Then tell me, if I toss a coin 5 times and all the 5 times head appears on the top of it, and what is the probability that on 6th time the tail comes on the top of the coin when I tossed it?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good, Chirag. Very good. And tell me the difference between rhombus and square.
The rhombus and square are polygon and the diagonal bisects in rhombus at 90 degree but the diagonal are not equal. But in square, the diagonals are equal and bisect in 90 degree. And the all angles of square are 90 degree but not in rhombus. And the area formula of rhombus is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 and the area formula of square is side square.
So tell me what is myopia and how it is corrected.
Myopia is a eye disease and it is corrected by concave lens and the myopia is also known as short sightedness.
Now give an example of single-celled organism.
So the single cell organism is amoeba.
Amoeba. So tell me a name of metal which can be cut by a knife easily.
The sodium.
And when it is And when it is stored?
In kerosene.
Kerosene. Why it is stored in kerosene?
Sir, because it's react with water.
Yeah. So what is the body temperature of a human?
Sir, in Fahrenheit, body temperature of human is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit.
Very good. So tell me about the formula of a cube minus b cube.
Sir, bracket a minus b whole cube plus 3b bracket a minus b.
Very well done, Chirag.
So Chirag, you mentioned there, you are from Jaipur, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I just want to know about Jaipur.
Sir, Jaipur was established by Shahjahan II in 1727. It is also known as Pink City and Paris of India. It is also famous for its historical monuments like Hawa Mahal, Jal Mahal, Nairgarh Fort, Amer Fort, etc.
Could you please describe about one historical palaces which you visit recently?
Sir, the Hawa Mahal I visited with my parents.
Okay. What do you know about Hawa Mahal?
Sir, in that Hawa Mahal is made by Pratap Singh in 1799, and in that there are around 951 windows.
Okay. And what else? You have visit any historical place instead of Hawa Mahal?
Sir, the Jal Mahal.
Tell me about Jal Mahal.
Sir, Jal Mahal is also made by Pratap Singh in 1799. It is on a lake in center of the lake.
Okay. So what is the differentiate between normal school and military school?
Sir, the normal school provides a general education without focusing any specific defense education. But the primary focus of RMS is to provide us defense education and prepare us for career in Indian Armed Forces.
So tell me about your happiest moment in your life.
Sir, when my brother got joining in RMS Bangalore.
What about you?
Sir, my interview is pending.
One situation, if you got selected in Rashtriya Military School, okay, you are studying there and you face little bit difficulties, okay, someone is teasing you, abusing you, okay, then what will you do?
Sir, first of all, I will manage for some time. Then I will complain to my class teacher. If class teacher does not take any action, then I will complain to principal.
Know about NCC?
Yes, sir.
What do you know about NCC?
The NCC full form is National Cadet Corps, and there are three certificates in NCC: Certificate A, Certificate B, and Certificate C. If a person who have all three certificates, that can directly appear in for the SSB.
Okay. What is the full form of NDA?
So the NDA full form is National Defense Academy,
What about CDS?
Combined Defense Services.
Okay. Why did you choose Indian Army?
Sir, because my father is in Indian Army and he always motivates me to join Indian Army, and I like the life and living style of defense personnel because in Army we develops our leadership skills.
Okay. Spelling of communication.
OMMUNICATION.
Tsunami.
Sir, TSUNAMI.
Okay. So Chirag, where would you like to see after 10 years?
I would like to see myself after 10 years in a respectful position in defense services.
Get selected in Rashtriya Military School, then what will you do?
As I told you, I am motivated and hardworking guy. If I don't select in RMS, then I will prepare for CDS and ND examination after 12th.
What is the motto of Navy?
The motto of Navy is Samno Varnam.
Okay. So, do you know about Rashtriya Military School? Tell me.
There are 5 RMS in India. The current motto of RMS is Sheelam Param Bhushanam, which means character is the highest virtue. And the old motto of RMS is play the game. And there are 5 RMS in India: RMS Ajmer, RMS Bangalore, RMS Belgaum, and RMS Dolpur.
Okay. Do you know about the established date of all 5 RMS?
Sir,
Tell me.
the RMS Chal was established in 1925. RMS Ajmer was established in 1930, and the RMS Bangalore was established in 1946. RMS Belgaum was established in 1945, and the only RMS which is established after the independence, that was RMS Dholpur, which established in 1962.
Principal of RMS Ajmer.
Avnish Tyagi.
So tell me two qualities of your father.
Sir, my father is honest and brave, and he always motivates me.
Okay, that's nice. So Chirag, I hope so you will get success in Rashtriya Military School examinations with best blessing के साथ में from Brahmos Academy. Okay, Chirag, you can go now.